Alright guys and gals, Eric Johansson here. I want to do a quick video to explain something about our fully business networking page. Several people have posted about their business, but as fully business networking, and I think that's going to ultimately create a lot of confusion when everything on the page looks like it's coming from the fully business networking page. I mean, it's just not, I don't think that's the right way to promote our businesses on this page. And the other thing is this page is primarily for the purpose of attracting new members. So what I think we need to do is keep the wall, you know, this central wall, keep it all about the networking meetings. And you know, like today I posted a thank you to the visitors that we had. So just things that are specific to the networking group itself. But if you want to promote your own business on the page, the way we need to do this is you go to where you would create a post, and right over here, a lot of people don't realize there's an option there, and if you click on it, there's a drop-down menu. Okay, and so now you can select to post as yourself or under any other page that you have administration rights to. Okay, so you might have a business page and you want to post it from that business page. That's fine. If you want to post it from your personal account, that's fine as well. Just whatever you think is more marketable for yourself. And this visitor post is going to show up over here like Dana's does. And so what I would tell you from a marketing standpoint is you can see you have about 1 line and 3/4 of a line worth of words that people are going to see. So almost like a tweet, you want to make that first line and a half very powerful. Like, you know, the name of your business or something about your service, you know, some kind of a hook within those first few words. All right, so this is what it looks like. I'm gonna, you know, right now if I just create a post, it's going to post as if I'm from the FBN page. Okay, so if I want to change that, I click here, and I click on myself, and I create the post, hit post, and what's going to happen is it should show up here under a refresh. Let's see. Sorry, I'm trying to make this video short, but it's just not working. Okay, so you can see it shows up right here. Alright, so I know some of you might not be real excited about that because it's not on the main wall. But again, the purpose of this page is to attract new members. So we got to keep, you know, we got to keep the main thing on this page, but absolutely post as a visitor over here, and do it, you know, with some frequency, because every time somebody posts, I don't know how many will show here, 1, 2, or 3 maybe at the most. I don't know, we'll have to see. But, you know, feel free to post on a regular basis so that you're staying at the top. But anyway, so that's it. Sorry this kind of took longer than it should have to explain. But if you got any questions, give me a call, 251-656-9231. Thanks again.